Oh my God. Hi guys. So I know you're wondering like where has she been? She just put out a vlog and yeah. Well, I have a few vlogs from early January, from late January, early February to put up for you guys. I am still vlogging, so you get those vlogs that I'm videoing right now soon, but enjoy these really delayed vlogs from Miss U Tech shoots. Just some snippets of my day. So enjoy. Hi guys, so another weekend and I have work. Going to sub again today. So I'm here drinking some tea and waiting on my drive. Oh, you guys like this face? Beat, huh? Should I do that video but I didn't. But anyways, um I'll be taking you along on the ride. This vlog is going to be like a February vlog. Probably turn into two vlogs, I don't know yet. But yeah, look at that one in my bed. Y'all see her, right? Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye dolls. Or later dolls. Hi guys. So cute. You know I'm both. Man, let's over the bus stop for 1 hour. Portia of weeks in the apple tree, so them no longer apple tree. I'm on a mascara. I'm a fresh yeah. This is my friend. But finally get to that vlog, guys. You want to we're up on an apple tree, boss. And where I got told. So, you told, you know what, apple tree, boss. I see that. Because Portia block off treatment. Because the most treatment and we're fantastic, you know? So, the most treatment can Portia block off treatment. Yeah, treatment. You play the most like a treatment. Yeah. So, when you're talking to me, I got told. So I look rough and crusty today. I head into school. I'm walking on the road to catch a bus. How are you guys there?
It's because I don't have